Hello. I'm Miles Tails per hour. We will learn about motion in a straight line. Before, I talked about these variable formulas like momentum and force. I can tell you these variable distance units, from distance meter to acceleration in meters per second squared. Did you recognize the differentiation of the units? Well, of course. There are three different cases of distance units. Distance x is in meters. You must differentiate with respect to time. This becomes velocity v, in meters per second. And again differentiated it, we get acceleration a, in meters per second squared. Now we move ahead to initial and final velocities. Like in the previous video, acceleration is equal to final velocity, minus initial velocity, divided by the time t. We can consider initial velocity as v0 and final velocity as v. Rearranging the formula, to get the velocity formula, v is equal to v0, plus at, where v0 is the initial velocity. If the body is firstly at rest, then the initial velocity becomes 0. Then v is equal to at. Conversely, if the final velocity is 0, then we get a deceleration, which is negative acceleration. Then, v0 is equal to minus at. For one thing, the distance formula x with velocity and acceleration is equal to v0 t, plus half at squared, before differentiating to get the velocity. We will solve this question for you. First question, how far will it travel when the body comes to rest from 3 meters per second in 5 seconds? The answer is 7.5 meters, where the acceleration obtained is negative 0.6 meters per second squared. And here is the second question for you. What is the acceleration obtained from 4 to 10 meters per second in 12 seconds? The answer gives you 0.5 meters per second squared. So this proves the entire topic. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.